Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study chapter number 3, polynomial practice set number 3.2. Question number 1 to question number 4 we will be completing in this video. Question number 5 and 6 I will be doing it in the next video. So let's start with the first question. Use the given letters to write the answer. So we have to form a proper equation using the given letters, and what kind of equation it will be forming, that we have to see. So what they have said is there are A trees in the village. If the number of trees increase every year by B, how many trees will be there after X years? So using the given information we will write the answer that is given. First, the number of trees. How many number of trees were there? It was A. Then the number of trees, it increases, isn't it? They said increases every year by B in a year. Alright, therefore it is going to be the number of trees. The number of trees will increase by how much? Bx. Why x? Because see, years they have said, isn't it? So x is going to be the years. Therefore x is years. Okay, so these is what we have been given in the question. Now what we have to do, the number of trees in the village lacked after X years. The number of trees in the village after X years will be A plus B, X. Alright, now A means number of trees, B means it is going to increase by every year, and BX means XY we have to add because we don't know in the coming year how much it's going to increase, and X is supposed to be the years, therefore we have to add it. So this is going to be your answer. Let's solve the second one. It is very easy, children. You all have to only write the alphabets and form an equation understanding the question. For the parade there are Y students in row and X such row are formed. Okay, so in a parade there are Y students in each row and X such rows are formed. So X is supposed to be the row and Y is supposed to be the students. Then how many students are there for the parade in all? Now if you will see, this question is in this format of the sentence is been given differently, so don't get confused. You all have to understand it properly, that Y is supposed to be the student and X are supposed to be the rows. Don't get confused with the sentence formation. They have purposely given you all so that you can get confused. So first we will write whatever is been given, the number of rows. So how many number of rows? X na, it is been given in the form of X, and the number of students are Y, isn't it? Students is Y. Therefore what we have to find? We have to find the total number of students, which is going to be X into Y, which will be XY. Okay, so you all can write it in this form also and this form also. So this is your answer. That's it, isn't it? The only problem is the sentence that they have given over here is quite different for reading. Okay, it is tend to be confused, but it is okay. You all can read it and understand it properly again and again. The tens and units place. Now there are two numbers, tens and units place of a two-digit number. Two-digit number, one is supposed to be M and N. So tens is going to be M, units is going to be N. Respectively, when they say respectively, that means tens and units are going to be in the same manner as they have given. Again, this sentence is little confusion. You all can get confused, children. Why? Because you all don't read it properly. In a rush, you all do it wrong, and this is very easy, can come for 2 marks also and for 1 mark also. So first we will write the number in tens place B m and the number in units place bn. Okay, so you all can write it in your own language also, the sentence, this two sentences, but I find this easy, that is why I am doing it. So the place value, now this is m in the tens place and n in the units place. That means you all have to multiply m into 10, which will be 10m. Got it? And n is in the units place. So n into 1, we all know tens means, they have said tens means you all have to multiply it with tens. When it's unit, you all have to multiply it with 1. So this is going to only be n. You have got your answer. And what they had said, that write the polynomials with the with representing 2-digit number. So you all have to form the 2-digit number. The number formed is 10m plus n. Isn't it easy, children? It is very easy to write the equation or form a equation by using the given information. Now the next question is add the given polynomial. Now this is also very easy. Addition, subtraction and multiplication we will be doing in this video. Division I will be explaining in the next video. So let's start with the addition sums. So the first one is x cube minus 2x square. You all can refer the textbook, children, if you all are not able to get the question properly. I'm directly writing it. Now this is the equation. So what we have to do is, the first step is to add a addition sign over here. Okay, so 5 cube plus 2x plus 9. You all can even take a bracket, but in the next step again you all have to remove a bracket, so no need to write it. First what we have to do is we will take a bracket. Okay, let's take a bracket so that the signs, if changed, might change. Okay, so let's take a sign over here. Bracket 3x minus 2x minus 9 plus 5x. Now why we have to take this? Because plus and plus plus, so over here the signs are not changing, but if it is a minus sign over here, it might change. So what we have done, we have added a bracket, then we have removed a bracket by adding a addition sign. Now what we have to take? We have to take the like terms. Okay, so x cube plus 5x cube, underline it. Next is minus 2x square is alone, so 2x. You all have to only check the power. This is alone, you are not having any pair with it. Next is going to be this plus 2x, this is also alone. Then minus and plus 9, minus and plus 9. So these you all don't have to underline because we don't need to solve it, but this we have to solve. That is why I have underlined it. So x means 1 is over here. 1 plus 5 is going to be 6. X cube and x cube will remain x cube only. This, there is no pair, so it will be same. This also will remain same. Plus sign is over here. And this you all can do it orally also. It is going to get reduced. Isn't it easy to solve? Next sum we will do, that is minus 7m4 plus 5m cube plus root of 2. And the next one is 5m4 minus. In this questions you all have to check the power. Okay, in first question only we have done what is power. Now first we will add a addition sign along with a bracket. So if in case the sign changes, we will be able to get it properly. Okay, so this we will write in the bracket and then open the bracket. Okay, so this I have written in bracket. I have added the plus sign. Now we have to open the bracket. So first form of polynomial is going to remain as it is. You will see I have written the same one. Now plus 5m4. Okay, this I have written plus and minus is going to be again minus 3m cube. Plus and plus will be plus 2m square. Plus and plus will again be plus 3m. Plus and minus is going to be minus 6. Now I have opened the bracket. The next step is forming the common pairs. So this is going to be forming a pair with this. So minus 7m4 plus, with the sign you all have to write. Okay, remember. Now this and this underline it and keep so that there will be a set and you all can directly solve it. Okay, next is going to be this, which is alone. This also is alone, and plus root 2 and minus 6. This you all need to solve. So what you all have to solve, that I have underlined it in order to get it easy. Now plus and minus minus, so 7 minus 5 is going to be 2 m4 sign of the bigger number. Got it? Do it step by step as I am doing it, children. 5 plus and minus minus, so 5 minus 3 is again going to be 2 m cube, plus sign of the bigger number. This will remain as it is. This will also remain as it is. Now this we need to solve it. So first we will write minus 6 plus root 2 because we cannot solve it. So this is your answer. Now in this third question there are 3 polynomials given. So we have to write it in the same sequence that they have given along with a plus sign and a bracket. So 3y plus 9 plus 3y square minus 4y minus 3 bracket. Okay, so what I have done is adding the bracket. Now we will remove the bracket. That is, the first equation will remain as it is. Second, we will see whether it changes. 3 plus 3y plus and plus plus 9 plus again 3y square plus and minus minus 4y plus and minus minus 3. Okay, now we will find the like terms. So this is the like terms, 2y square plus 3y square, underline it. Next is this and this, so plus 7y plus 3, no, just a minute. Yeah, there are 3 terms over here. See, this is also 1, 2 and 3. So I will write it in the given sequence. 7y plus 3y minus 4y. Okay, there are 3 terms. Remember, 1, 2 and 3. So 1, 2 and 3. This complete you all have to solve. Next is plus 5 plus 9 minus 3. So plus 5 plus 9 and minus 3. I have said it in the same sequence, that only you all have to write it. Now solve it. This is plus, so this will be 2 plus 3, 5y square. Now this, first solve this and then this. So it is going to be 7 plus 3, it's going to be 10. 10 minus 4, it's going to be 6 and y. Plus sign because 7 is the bigger number. Next you all have to solve this first and then this. So 5 plus 9, 14. 14 minus 3 is going to be plus 11. Isn't it easy to solve? It becomes very easy when you underline it. Okay, during exam you can underline it with a pencil and then erase it. Now we will solve question number 3rd, which is subtraction. So x square minus 9x plus root 3. Same steps you all have to do for subtraction also, nothing much. 7x square. So first we will write the given formation in the bracket plus root 3, adding a minus sign to it. Then we will open the bracket plus root 3 minus and minus. Now see over here, minus and minus will change to plus 19x, minus and plus minus root 3, minus and plus minus 7x square. During addition nothing much has changed while opening the bracket, but in subtraction the sign changes. Now we have to take the power, that is square wala. So x square minus 7x square is the pair, then minus 9x plus 19x, this is the pair, then plus and minus. So plus root 3 minus root 3. So this is going to get reduced. Okay, so orally also you all can do it. Now 1 is there, 1 minus 7 is going to be minus 6x square, sign of the bigger number. Now this will change to minus and plus minus. So 19 minus 9 is going to be 10x 2x sign of the bigger number, and this is going to get reduced. Next sum. Now next sum I have already written half of the thing I have written, same equation. Now we have to add a minus sign, and then I will write the remaining one in order to avoid confusion. I am solving it in this way. Now first equation will remain as it is. Second is going to change. Minus 3ab minus and minus plus 8ab square minus and plus minus 2a square b. Alright, now we will form the like pair, which will be, so first we will take the power of a, that is this and this. Okay, so 3a square b minus 2a square b. This we have to solve. Then we will take minus 4ab, this one and this one, minus 3ab. This thing you all have to solve, and then at the end you all have to take plus 2ab square and plus 8ab square. Okay, now solve this. 3 minus 2 is going to be 1. So 1a square b, or you all can skip 1 also. Minus and minus is going to be plus. So 4 plus 3 is going to be 7ab, sign of the bigger number. Then this plus and plus is going to be plus. So 2 plus 8 is going to be 10ab square and sign of the bigger number. That's it. Now let's solve question number 4, which is multiplication. So 2x, you all have to multiply it with x square minus 2x minus 1. Now multiplication is super easy, children. In the same pattern we will solve. We will first write the bracket. Alright, now how you have to multiply this with this term, this with this term, and again this and this term. Okay, remember the sequence. Therefore, it is going to be 2x, over here the power was 1. So, x1 plus x2 is going to be x3. You all have to add. 1 plus 2 is going to be 3. 2 into 2 is going to be 4, and x and the power over here is going to be x. So, 1 plus 1 is going to be 2. Remember, only the x power is going to change, not the sum. 2 into 1 is going to be minus 2x. Isn't it easy? In just 2 steps you all can solve the sum. So this is the sum I have already written in the multiplication form. Now over here what you all have to do? You all have to multiply first x root 5 x 5 with the complete equation, that is multiplied with, or you all can add a bracket, plus 2x square plus 2, then minus 1, and then the complete bracket, x cube plus 2x square plus 2. Alright, now you all have to multiply it in this way. Okay, let's draw the signs first so that it will become easy. Now, no number is there, so it is going to be x, but 5 plus 3 is going to be 8. When there is multiplication, remember the powers has to be added. Okay, when there is multiplication, the powers are to be added. Plus x, that is 2, x, 5 plus 2, 7. Then x, that is going to be 2x and 5. If you are not able to do it orally, you all can take it over here also. X 5 multiplied with 2, so it is going to be 2x5. In this way also you all can solve it. So this will be 1x cube, then 1 into 2 minus 2x, no power, so 2 only, 1 into plus 2, it is going to be minus 2. Okay, remember the signs. Therefore, now what you all have to do, I think this is done with the sum. We will just check the power is correct. Yes, because in the descending form you all have to write the power. So it is already in the descending form, no need to write it. The third sum we will solve, that is 2y plus 1 y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. Alright, So let's solve this. Add a multiplication sign. If you all are finding anything difficult, children, still we have to solve question number 4 and 5. So do let me know in the comment section. So I will take your question and solve that question in the next coming video. So first we will solve this 2y into y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. Okay, then plus 1 and the complete bracket, that is y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. The steps that I have shown you all, do it in the same way, children, so that you will not get confused. This you all can erase, do it with a pencil, and you all can erase it afterwards also. So this will be 2y cube minus 4y, 4, over here the power is 1, so remember you all have to add it, plus 2 3s are 6, y, 1 plus 1 is going to be 2, plus 1 into y square, plus and minus minus, 1 into 2 is going to be 2, y cube, plus and plus is going to be plus, 1 into 3 is going to be 3y. Now you all have to arrange it according to the power. 4 is the biggest power, so this will be first. Then we have to write minus or plus, first we will write and then we will write minus, because there are two terms, isn't it? So plus 2y cube and minus 2y cube. See, this and this is similar, only the signs have changed. So according to the sign you all have to write it. Next is going to be plus 6y square and plus y square, and then plus remaining 3y. Okay, so I think we have done with it. Yes, we have. Now what we have to do is, this will change to, this was 4, sorry children, this was 4. So we don't have a pair, this will remain as it is. Let's solve this one. See, plus and minus, so this will get cut. The next one is this one. So over here 1 was there, 6 plus 1 is going to be 7, and y square, sign of the bigger number, and then plus 3y. I hope this exercise is clear to everyone. If anyone is finding anything difficult, do let me know in the comment section, children, so that while solving question number 5 and 6, I will take your question. So in the next video, till then, take care. Bye.